I was absolutely miserable. She probably heard me crying. I called the day before. They got me in the next day. I was in so much pain. Absolutely took care of my pain within the first adjustment. Really, it just started to decrease. I'm now on my third adjustment, and I can function. I can go to work, and I work in maintenance, so it's a pretty physical job. That has definitely changed just that quick. I had surgery to correct my neck. It didn't relieve the amount of pain that just 3 adjustments have. I definitely recommend going to the chiropractor. It makes a huge difference. And this guy here he does something that is different. I don't know what it is, but they work. So I definitely recommend Bluegrass Chiropractor.